Okay guys, today is a very special video. I'm doing my first ever collaboration with a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Esther and she is over at Essie Cooks. You guys gotta check her out. Today we are gonna both show you our favorite bean salad recipes to help you get ready for spring, get ready for summer, the warm weather, the barbecue season, everything. It's gonna be so good, so delicious, so funky fresh. So make sure you subscribe below, check her out below as well, and let's get into these two delicious bean salad recipes. Yeah! I am super pumped to be showing you guys how to make this spring butter bean salad, and it really does feel like a spring salad. If you are a lover of butter beans already, then you already know that they are so creamy and they are hearty beans. They're big, they're hefty, and they're super filling, and they just work so well in cold salads. Pair them up with some crunchy radishes and cucumbers and toss it in a quick and simple lemony, tangy, garlicky tahini dressing, and it is like mwah, a delicious filling lunch or a great side dish, something you can bring to a potluck or a gathering, or you can even just pack it up and bring it for work or school lunches. It's just so flippin' good. Okay, let's get right into the salad. Yay! This spring butter bean salad is packed with so many fresh, crunchy, healthy, delicious ingredients that are super affordable and accessible. So we're gonna first start off by creating our dressing. We're going to be adding some minced garlic into a small jar or a little bowl, and then we're gonna add in some lemon juice just to help kind of bring out all the flavors of the ingredients. It's gonna add some citrusy tang. Then we're gonna add in some creamy tahini and some Dijon mustard. This is gonna add such lovely flavor. And then for a little tiny hint of heat, you can go ahead and add in some red chili flakes. Plus we're gonna add in a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. For some extra herby freshness, we're going to be adding in some finely chopped dill fronds. Save the stems because we are going to be adding those to the salad later, but for now we're going to add in a couple tablespoons of that fresh chopped dill, and then you're basically just going to give that all a good shake. If you find that it's a little too thick and doesn't emulsify very well, you can add another tablespoon of water as you need to until it's more of a pourable dressing. A quick tip for you about butter beans: they're also known as lima beans or broad beans. So if you've ever struggled to find them in grocery stores as butter beans like I have, just look for lima beans or broad beans. They're all the same. Lima beans are just green, while the butter beans are slightly more mature, so they're like kind of like a beige color. So go ahead, add in your butter beans to a large salad bowl, and now we're going to move on to chopping our veggies. So we're going to be adding in some fresh cucumber. I like to quarter and thinly slice it. And then we're gonna add in some onion. I opted for white onion, but red onion would be totally delicious as well. And then for a kind of crunchy, peppery bite, we're gonna thinly slice up some radishes. I love radishes in salad. Oh my gosh. Seriously, like one of my favorite ingredients. Now we're gonna add in those dill stems that we saved and chopped up into the bowl, followed by the dressing. This is going to just wrap up our salad into a saucy, tangy, herby, garlicky hug that honestly just tastes so good, you guys. I love a good creamy dressing, and this one is like tops. That's how easy it is to make a spring butter bean salad. You have such amazing textures, from the crunchy cucumbers and radishes and onions to the creamy, dreamy, tender butter beans, all wrapped up in a herby, tangy, garlicky dressing. It is just honestly so flippin' good. It tastes even better when you let it sit in the fridge for a few hours or even up to overnight. It's one of those perfect salads for a barbecue or a summer gathering, or just something that you can quickly whip up on a weekday and enjoy whenever you just feel like you need a light, crunchy salad. This spring butter bean salad is an absolute must for the warm weather. There you go, friends. Now you have another delicious bean recipe to add to your cold summer salads arsenal. I hope you give it a try. Let me know in a comment if you do. I'm gonna now pass it over to Esther over at Essie Cooks, and she's gonna show you her totally delicious looking Mediterranean bean salad. Let's go.
Hi everyone, I'm Esther from Essie Cooks. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make my favorite bean salad. So for my bean salad, we are going to be making this sort of Mediterranean antipasto bean salad. We're going to start by quickly whipping up our dressing in a mason jar. So I've got a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a teaspoon of maple syrup, a clove of minced garlic, salt and pepper to taste, a tablespoon of fresh lemon zest, half of a lemon juiced, and 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. All right, we got 3 cans of beans of choice. So I got chickpeas, dark red kidney beans, and white beans. You can use any 3 beans you like. Give those a good rinse. And 1 kidney bean for a good girl. She loves them. Right, gonna add the beans right into a mixing bowl. I've got a good little handful of parsley. I'm just gonna finely dice that up. I'm gonna add in my chopped parsley. And now I have about half a jar of roasted red peppers, which is about 5 red peppers. I'm gonna finely dice those up as well and then add them right into the bean salad too. Next up, I have half a cup of black Kalamata olives, which I'm gonna slice up, or you can buy them already sliced. I also like to add some pepperoncinos, which I forgot to show in this video. And then I have half a red onion that has been finely diced as well, which adds so much to this salad. All right, now I'm gonna shake up that dressing. And I'm also gonna add half a cup of vegan cheese. So if you have vegan feta, because this is a Mediterranean bean salad that's gonna be delicious. I just had some vegan mozzarella, so I just cut it into nice, tiny little cubes, and I'm just gonna add that half a cup right in. Now I'm gonna pour that beautiful dressing over top of the bean salad, and I'm just gonna toss it gently to combine all of the ingredients. And then this is pretty much ready to go. It gets better in the fridge as it sits. Now you can just eat this by itself. You can serve it with some crackers, some tortilla chips, or a big handful of arugula. It's amazing for meal prep as well. So delicious.
If you guys want to see more collaboration videos like this, let me know in a comment down below. I had such a fun time working with Essie on this awesome video. Give her some love down below in the comments. Make sure you check out her YouTube channel. And while you're at it, subscribe to her channel and subscribe to mine as well, Steamy Vegan. If you like this video, give it a good old thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in another video very soon. Bye!